Hello, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So, children, today I am going to take the mathematical literacy. Your one extra topic is there for you for classes 7 to 10. Okay. So, actually, I thought of taking it Saturday, but since it's a holiday, I'll take today. Mathematical literacy. Do you have your notes? You take a new page, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Take a new page. Okay, it is very easy just to think and write only that. Very easy. Mathematical literacy. Nirubama, Hadidi, Hein Steve, Sainaba, Haya, Rose, Anne Mary, Vishnupriya, Nas, Arjun. I don't know whether they are there in the class. Okay, children, so take a new page and we are going to study mathematical literacy. First chapter means our chapter is chapter 15. Okay, children, so it is divided into 4 classes, 7, 8, 9, 10. And our chapter starts from chapter 15, our topics. Okay, so, okay, children, can you see the board? Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our heading. Unit 15, School Swimming Club. School Swimming Club. That is a heading. Heading. Okay. It is the heading. Only heading you write. Afterwards, I will explain.
What, ma'am?
Okay. Did you write the heading, all of you? Yes, Adidev. Adidev, what is there on your head? Okay.
What, ma'am?
Yes. School Swimming Club. Shall I read it? Shall I read it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, 7 students of Anand Public School wants to join the swimming club of the school. Okay. 7 students of Anand Public School want to join the school swimming club. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, following information about the students is recorded in the table given below. The information about the students is given below. See, children, on your drawing that table, but down one table is there that you have to draw. Shall I read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, there are 4 columns. Name, month and year of birth, height, distance each student can swim in meters, height in meters. 4 columns. Okay. There are how many children? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many students are there?
7.
7 students. What are the names of the students?
Ali, Vibha,
Ali, Vibha, Kiran,
Kiran,
Daisy,
Daisy.
Faisal, Kuljit and Ila. Okay. And here their date of birth is given. Each one's date of birth. Height, their height is given. Their distance, they can swim in meters also given. All these 7 children cannot join the school swimming club. All these children cannot join. Did you understand? All these 7 children cannot join. There are some regulations, some rules. Okay, there are some categories. Only those who satisfy the conditions, only those persons can join the swimming club. Okay, children, I'll show that. And these are their data. But to join the swimming club, one must be, what is their conditions?
At least 12 years old.
12 years old in March 2018. Then at least 150 centimeter tall. Okay. And able to swim at least 0.5 kilometers. Those students who satisfies all these, that means completed 12 years and 150 centimeter tall and able to swim at least 0.5 kilometers. If the student satisfies these three conditions, can join the school swimming club. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, and here one more data is given. What is 1 meter? 1 meter?
1 kilometer.
100 centimeter. 1 kilometer equal to how many meter?
1000 meter.
1000 meter.
Yeah.
Now, what you have to do is, you have to draw this column down here. Down column. This one. Okay. Draw that.
Ma'am, can you slide down?
Okay. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. I'll scroll the board up. Okay. So these things you have to complete the table. You have to complete the table like this. Okay. How many columns? Name, month and year of birth, height in meters, distance in meters, age on 31st, height centimeters, distance each student can swim in kilometers. These many columns should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns you have to draw. Only that. Only columns heading you write. Remaining we will fill. Only columns headings and remaining we will fill now.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to refer the table given on top and write it. Yes. Shall we start then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll start with Ali. Okay. Ali's year and birth, month and year of birth is?
November 2004.
November 2004. And height in meters?
1.62.
1.62. Distance each student can swim in meters. That means his distance in swimming is 200 meters. Okay. We have to rewrite this. His age on 31st March. He has born on 2004 November. Okay. So 2004 November, 2005 November, 2005, 1 year, 2006, 2 year, 2007, 3 year, 2008, 4 year. Like that, will you count up to March 2018? How many years old? It's very easy. Small children will do this. How many
Ma'am,
years?
19.
No. No. 2004. Okay, one minute. 2005. How many year? 1 year. 6, 2 year. 7, 3 year. Like that. 8, 4 years. So 2018 March he will become 14 years. Isn't it? 2018 March he will become 14 years. No, sorry. 2018 November. 2018 November he will become, but
Ma'am,
will he become 14 years? Here age is, see, March 2018. So 14, will he complete 14 years?
No.
March? No. So how many years? Tell me. Will he complete? It is up to only March, but he was born on November. So will he complete 14 years in March?
No.
So how many years old now? Ali? How many years old, Ali?
13 years and 8
years and
months.
how many months?
8.
13 years and not 8 months. November, December, January, February, March. December, January, February, March.
3 months.
November he has born. It is a very easy question. You don't know to calculate one person's age. Your age can you calculate? Huh? November, December, January, February, March. Shameful that you cannot calculate. How many months? 4 months. Clear, children? Yeah, you don't know to calculate your age. Ashik Pateri, what is your age now?
14, ma'am.
Which is your year of birth?
2006.
2006. Which month?
July.
July. So 2021 July. How many years old you will be?
15.
15. Now, how many years? 14. Correct. 14
Yes,
years
ma'am.
and how many months? After July, this is December now. July.
And 5 months.
Yes. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Like that. Okay. Clear? Did you understand, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then height in meters. Height in meter is given 1.62. 1.62. So what is the height in centimeters? Tell me. 1.62 meter in how many centimeters?
162.
162, correct. And distance each student can swim in kilometers. 200 kilometer is 200 by 1000 is 0.2 kilometer. Is it correct? 0.2? Clear? Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now will you fill the next one? Vibha. It's already given. Age is given. We have to fill height and distance. We have to fill height and distance. Will you fill what is the height in centimeters? What is the height in centimeters, children? Tell fast. Tell fast. 1.43 in centimeters.
143.
143. And the distance?
0.5.
0.5, correct. Now we have to calculate the next other person, Kiran. Kiran's age, the year of birth is given, month and year of birth. We have to calculate his age. Calculate it fast. Kiran, February 2006. February 2006. Okay, children, February 2006. Now, February 2006, he born. Okay. February 2018. How many years he'll become? 18 minus 6 you do.
11.
80 minus 6. 12. 12 years. And February, he will complete 12 years. But we have to calculate in March. So, 12 years and how many months? 12 years and February to February, he became 12 years. Then March, no. One more month has passed, right? So, 1 month. 12 years and 1 month. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And his height is already given, 153. And his, what is the distance in kilometers?
1.5.
1.5, correct, 1.5. Now we will calculate the next person. Daisy. January 2007. January 2007. Okay, I'll write. January 2007. Okay. January 2018. She'll become how many years? Subtract. How many years?
11.
11 years. And
11
11
years.
years, okay, 11 years. How many months? Jan. So, January 2018, she will become 11 years. But we have to calculate
8
till
months.
March. From January to March. Ashik.
2 months, ma'am.
2 months, 2 months. Only 2 months. 11 years, 2 months. And what is her height?
1.56.
1.56, and we have to calculate in centimeters. 156. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is his distance, her distance? 1 kilometer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to Faisal. Faisals.
Ma'am, is this a new chapter?
Oh?
New chapter only?
No. This you need it for some examination will be there. CBSE's it is there. This year you have to study these questions. Next year also. These type of questions, case study questions. Yes, children. Now we'll move to Faisal. What is his month and year of birth?
13 years and 3 months.
Calculation mistake. December 2005. Okay. December 2005. I'll calculate. December 2005. Will he, if December 2018, December 2018, how many years he will be?
12.
In December 2018, he will be 18 minus 5. How many years old? 13 years old. But will he complete December 2018? Here we have to calculate up to March only. So will he complete 13 years? No. So how many years?
12 years.
12 years. And how many months? December. From December you calculate till March. How
3
many months? 3 months. Correct. Now you are getting the concept. 3 months. And what is his age? Sorry. His height? Faisal's?
1.64.
Okay. That I can read. You
164.
tell the answer.
164.
164. And what is the distance? Kilometer.
0.6.
0.6. Correct. Now we'll move to that Kuljit. August 2006. You think like this. August 2006. He has born in August 2006. So August 2018. He will become 12 years. But it is in August. But we have to calculate in March. Will he complete 12 years? Huh? When it becomes August, he will become 12 years. Isn't it? But
ma'am.
it is not in, will he complete 12 years in March? No.
No.
11 years only. How many months?
Five.
From August you calculate. 5. You don't know to calculate the counting also. 7. From August you count. You are counting from the from March to behind. After Christmas, New Year comes, or after New Year, Christmas comes. Like that. Ashik Pateri is counting from New Year to Christmas. Going backward.
7 months.
Okay, Ashik. Okay. How many months?
7
7
months.
months. Okay. You just think about your date of birth. You will become 15 years old when it becomes July. Clear? But you are now only 14 years. And how many months? There are how many months more to July? 7 months more, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay. Okay, children. Now, Kuljit, what is the height in centimeters? Tell fast.
152.
152.
152. And what is the distance?
1 meter.
1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. Now, last person, Ila. January 2006. This, at least this you calculate and tell the answer. January 2006. January 2006, okay. 2018 March. Okay, January 2018. How many years? 12 years. In January, she will become 12 years. January 2018. January 2018, she will become 12 years. Okay, she already became 12 years. Now, March we have to consider. How many months more?
2 months.
2 months.
2 months, correct. So, 12 years, 2 months. 12 years, 2 months. And height?
146.
146.
146. And distance?
10.
1 kilometer, correct. Now, all these persons cannot be qualified. There are some conditions for the qualification conditions. Okay, what are the conditions? Just read. The persons who will become 12 years old in March 2018 and at least 150 centimeters tall, able to swim at least 0.5. So what about this first person, Ali?
He is 13 years old.
It's okay. 13 years old, okay. At least it is given, at least. But what about the other conditions? 0.2, you just see 0.2. He should at least 0.5, right? Okay. So will he be qualified? Will he be qualified?
No, ma'am.
No. Next one, next person, Vibha. 0.5, okay, 0.5. One condition satisfied. What about the height?
Less.
Less. So will she be qualified?
No.
No. Next one, Kiran.
No.
Kiran. 0.5 kilometers. Here 1.5 kilometers. Okay? Height, okay? Just see. 150 centimeters.
Yes, ma'am.
He is 153 centimeters. Okay. What about the age? Age?
12, ma'am.
12. So will he be qualified? Kiran?
Yes.
Yes. So Kiran is the person who can join the club. We'll move to the next one, Daisy. Daisy cannot, because even though 1 kilometer she can swim, even though her height is more, but her age is less, 11 years. So she cannot. Okay. Next one, Faisal. Faisal. 0.5. He can swim more than that. What about the height?
More.
164.
Okay, more. And what about the age?
12.
12 years. So will he be qualified, Faisal?
Yes.
Yes. Next one is Kuljit. Kuljit.
No.
No, because 1 kilometer okay. Height is not okay. Age is also not okay for him. Okay. And Ila? Age okay, but height is not okay. Distance also okay. So
Yes,
these
ma'am.
persons are not.
Height is okay.
Only 2 persons, Kiran and Faisal.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write this table, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you write? Now children, look at here. Who are the persons? The following students can join the swimming club. First person. Who is the first person? Kiran. And
Kiran.
second person?
Faisal.
Only 2 persons can join. Like this, you are selecting. If you are going to select any, starting any club or something, later maybe you, when you become if you are starting any club or you at your nearby places, locality, you have to consider like this. Sometimes we are selecting some students for any running competition or any in our school some events are going on, sports and all. So like this, athletics, all these things we are selecting the students like they will make the data and select the students. Okay. Then the second question is a very easy question. The swimming pool has a diving board. You know, have you seen diving?
Yes, ma'am.
Diving. What is diving?
Yes, ma'am.
Jumping from height.
Yes. Jumping from in a pool, on the top of a pool, sometimes some boards were kept. Okay. Sometimes the board will be less height, some more height like that. Different height levels will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
I have seen one comedy, Mr. Bean's diving. Mr. Bean tries to dive from a board. And when he saw that diving board's height, he tries to escape from there like that. If you want to see, you can search.
One movie, it's there, ma'am.
One movie, yes. Okay, children. So diving board. The swimming coach trains the students to dive off boards. They are placed at different heights. The speed is S meter per second. When they enter the water from a board of height meters can be found using this formula. There is a formula given. The formula is S equal to root of 1.96 into H. This is the formula. Okay, children. You know what is root of 1.96? You know what is the root of 196? What is the root of 196? Square root of 196, you don't know? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Eh? What is
Forgot, ma'am.
14 square? What is 14 square, children?
196.
196.
So what is square root of 196?
14.
So 14. Remember 8th standard. So what is root of
Yes, ma'am.
1.96?
14.
Ashik.
1.4.
1.4. Because when you multiply 1.4 into 1.4, it is 196 itself, but 2 decimal places. Clear? So it is 1.4. And here we have to calculate the value when h equal to 10. This is the formula. And we have to calculate the value when h equal to 10. That means in the formula you have to substitute h as 10. So you know what is root of 1.96? It is 1.4 into 10. What is the answer? 14 meter. Clear? 14 meter per second. It is speed. Clear, children? Just substitute that 10 there. Here only the problem is you have to find the root of 1.96, only that. Okay, you write it. Okay, write it. Write it. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, second question is given. Find the value of h when s equal to 4.2. Here s is given, h is not given. Okay. So in this formula, s equal to root of 1.96 into h. In this, s is given as 4.2. So we have to find the h. You know what is 1.96? 4.2 equal to root of 1.96 is 1.4 into h. Then what is h? 4.2 by 1.4. What is the answer? 1.4 into what is 4.2? Tell children. 1.4 into what is 14 into what is 42? 14 into what?
3.
3.
3.
So 1.4, 3 meter. Height is 3 meter. So this is the first chapter for us. Is it easy, children? It's very easy, but you are not thinking. Calculating the age, is that that much big problem for you? Okay, children, some interesting things are there. Diving has been popular pastime across the world since ancient times, but it started, diving competition started in England. England in 1880s. Okay. England in 1880s. And 56 feet, 17 meters in 1870 was the record. Then Swimming Association of Great Britain started the plunging championship in 1883. Only that interesting things. So diving started in England in 1880s. Modern diving competitions. Okay, children, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this was today's portion, mathematical literacy. Okay, children, I hope you understood it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I wind up now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So happy New Year.
Happy New Year, ma'am.
See, children, may your
Happy New
hopes
Year,
and
Prabhu.
dreams come true in the new year. Enjoy. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
There are 3 days holidays for us unexpectedly.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, enjoy. No need of
Thank
studying
you.
anything. Enjoy.
Starting when
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, yes. Yes.
thank you, ma'am. Starting from when?
Oh, sorry. Emil asked me something. I don't know. Emil, what did you ask? Okay, so Happy New Year to all.
Thank you.
Enjoy, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Art integrated. Oh, art integrated submission. It's simply drawing for us, right? 1 minute. I went through the Instagram. Some pages I saw. In this, some are there. Some ladies are doing this mandala art. They are doing. So I have kept some screenshot of that. Okay, children. I'll give that next when you come for after New Year. No, next class.
I like
I'll show
geometrical
that.
shapes.
Huh?
Like
Geometrical
geometrical
shapes.
shapes.
Yes. Okay, children. So the art integration, no need of doing now. Around January middle.
Ma'am, can you say the topic again, ma'am?
Mandala art. Search for mandala art. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Happy New Year, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, and Happy New Year.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.